Hey, hello there, welcome back to a weather update. Today right now we have 99W, 90W, we have two Eastern Pacific areas of interests, and also we have enhanced risk severe weather tonight, slight risk tomorrow, and then day 3 of a marginal. And I believe we have a slight risk of excessive rainfall tonight, marginal risk in the following 2 days. So a lot to discuss today, and let's get right into it. So anyways, right now, looking at the Western Pacific right now, we have 90W and 99W. Both have a low chance of development. However, though, either one could develop soon enough, though. So anyways, right now, we're looking at two disturbances across the, one of them is actually active. Low pressure expected to form soon. We have the far western area of interest has a 10% chance development in the next 40 hours, 20% the next 5 days. And another area to the east of that expected to form soon with a 0% chance development the next 48 hours with a 30% chance the next 5 days. Anyways, going to tonight, right now we have an enhanced severe weather across Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, slight risk across Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. Marginal risk across Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, Tennessee, Missouri, and then Kentucky, and then Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, Oklahoma, and then Kansas. Day 2. Slight risk across New Mexico, Texas, West Virginia, maybe even also Virginia. And then we have a marginal risk across Montana, Wyoming, New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Kentucky, Tennessee, Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, and also North Carolina. Going to day 3, we have a marginal risk across Virginia and also North Carolina, Colorado, Mexico, and also Texas. However, though, going to the probabilistics, going to tonight, right now, we have 5% tornado, 30% significant wind, 30% significant hail. So, maybe an isolated tornado. I don't think there's been any tornado winds today. But actually a couple, not active right now. And damaging winds, possibly significant hurricane force, and large hail over 2 inches is possible. So going to tomorrow, we have 2% tornado, 15% wind, 15% hail. Across Montana and New Mexico and Montana and Wyoming, we have 5% wind and 5% hail. Across the mid-Atlantic states, we have 15% wind, 2% tornado, 5% hail. And then across New Mexico and Texas, we have 2% tornado, 15% wind, 15% hail. Then looking at day 3, we have 5% probabilistic chance across the marginal risk. We'll monitor this on all the severe weather as possible the next 3 days. So anyways, right now looking at rainfall the next 3 days. And right now we have some pretty hefty totals across the plain states and heading into the northeast as well, where also some heavy rainfall can be picked up. There's actually a moderate risk of excessive rainfall. Graphic I was going to show is actually outdated. However, though, we have a moderate risk of excessive rainfall across Oklahoma, Missouri, and Arkansas, maybe a small area of Kansas as well. Slight risk across Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Tennessee, and also Arkansas. Marginal across Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Tennessee, Kentucky, and Indiana as well. Then looking at tomorrow for excessive rainfall, we're looking at marginal risk across Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, and also Georgia, North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Delaware, and also Maryland. However, though, we have a moderate risk across Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Colorado, Mexico, Texas, Louisiana. Turnaround zones around, flash flowing 1 million kills in the U.S., especially tonight, as we have a pretty significant threat of excessive rainfall tonight. And it's actually ongoing at this current moment. Anyways, that's it for today's weather update. Significant threat of excessive rainfall tonight and enhancements to severe weather. And then we have 2 Eastern Pacific areas of interest, 90W, 99W, and yeah.